Hey everyone, video 2 of the exhaust build. Spent the week after work getting the driver's side header tacked, V-band flanged on, expansion joint, and then also put mufflers on. Also went with V-band flanges kind of close in so that it'll give us enough room to disconnect these pieces and remove this part of the exhaust from under the truck. Made sure to take this into account. I want to build something and make it impossible to take back out in the future. So from that point on, I went with some bends that I had of some 3-inch stainless and came up to raise above the drive shaft. I have a 3-inch cardboard tube here made into a makeshift drive shaft off of the transmission and set really high and off the rear end to exaggerate the size. Of course, the drive shaft won't be this small, but the way we have it set up should give us at least a base idea of where it's going to sit. As you can see, we have tons of clearance with the H-pipe having the bend in it, kind of gives us even more. And we did lower the truck quite a bit. Got about 1.25 inches of threads left on the coilovers. That way, you know, we have the rear end kind of more close to where it's going to be for Jim's preference. You know, it's a cruiser, not a race truck. You want something reliable, so I feel like this will be kind of close to where the stance will be. But after we tack on the exhaust hangers today, kind of get it set, I think we'll be done with the exhaust for a while until the bed goes on the truck. That way, once the bed is on, we can make connections to these exits here and take the exhaust in front of the rear tire. Not too far in, but don't want to go over the drive shaft. There's not tons of room there. I feel like just doing a side exit will look great. It's what I have on my square body, and it gives you plenty of room and gives you good sound. But recorded some footage during the week while I was working on it, so we'll go through some of that footage, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for coming back. Got a piece of wood here to kind of mimic where the bed mounts. I guess to give me an idea of how much space I have. I can still go higher, but I'm really tight on the crossmember brace. So I almost feel like I have to lengthen them a hair to get them where I want them, get them like perfect. But I think as we come out to here, we'd have plenty of room to clear a drive shaft and at least get an H on it. So looks like we do have some possibilities.